you're scaring him.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Zorak. Zorak's eating after a day after shedding his skin.
Uh-oh. It's getting loose, Louie.
Oh.
Hold the lid just in case. You need a container.
There you go. Zorak.
Oh, he's got space.
I don't think the cricket's gonna run away with half of its head gone.
Thinking right around the neck.
I think it's afraid that we're gonna take its food from it. It's dead. Stop moving.
We're glitching a little. I wish this thing would focus.
Yeah, we need a better camera. That's what I'm hoping, is that we get enough to get a new camera. You done?
Where's the zoom?
Oh, it's not working. It doesn't work on this. I tried it too. Where'd you go?
No.